Marvel Superhero Adventures.
Hey, Doodle Kids! Welcome back to our Marvel's adventure. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of Marvel characters through doodles. Our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man swings into action. Start with the circle for the head, add those expressive eyes, and don't forget the web lines. Let your creativity soar. Make proper color and make Spider-Man in action. Wow, after color Spider-Man looks very nice. Now we start sketch of Superman. Superman is a founding member of the Justice League, a team of superheroes that includes Batman, Wonder Woman, and others. Great job, everyone! I hope you enjoyed sketching these amazing heroes with us. Remember, there are countless heroes out there waiting to be drawn. Keep practicing and exploring your artistic talents. See you next time on Marvel Adventure Sketching. If you had fun today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, happy sketching!